Good morning, softies. Can I tell you a secret? I used to think people who had perfect school mornings were just born that way. You know those girls who somehow wake up on time, eat breakfast, arrive at school looking put together, and still aren't rushing. Meanwhile, my alarm would go off. I'd hit snooze 5 times, jump out of bed at the last minute, forget something important, and somehow end up running out the door already stressed before the day had even started. If that sounds like you, girl, you're not alone. The good news is that having a better school morning isn't about waking up at 5 a.m. or becoming a completely different person overnight. It's about creating small habits that make your mornings easier. So today, I'm sharing the ultimate back-to-school morning routine that'll help you feel calmer, more organized, and actually ready for the day. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Your morning actually starts the night before. I know, this is supposed to be a morning routine, but hear me out. The best mornings are usually planned the night before. Take 10 minutes before bed to do 3 simple things. Lay out your school uniform or outfit, pack your backpack, and check your timetable. Girl, there is no worse feeling than waking up and realizing your science notebook is still sitting on your desk at home, or remembering at the last second that today is PE and your sports clothes aren't packed. Doing these little things the night before means tomorrow morning feels so much calmer, and honestly, future you is going to be so grateful. Step 2. Stop hitting snooze. Okay, can we have a little heart-to-heart? The snooze button feels amazing for about 5 minutes. Then suddenly, you're running around the house trying to brush your teeth, get dressed, and eat breakfast all at once. Instead of setting 5 alarms, try setting 1 alarm and placing your phone somewhere you have to physically get out of bed to turn it off. Once you're standing up, you've already won half the battle. Step 3. Make your bed. Now, before you click off, hear me out. Making your bed isn't about having a Pinterest-perfect bedroom. It takes less than 2 minutes, but it tells your brain, okay, the day has started. Plus, coming home to a tidy room after school just feels so much nicer. It's a tiny habit that makes a surprisingly big difference. Step 4. Freshen up. Now it's time to wake yourself up properly. Brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize, apply sunscreen if you're heading out during the day. Brush your hair, use deodorant if you need it. Girl, you don't need a 15-step beauty routine before school. Simple, clean, fresh. That's enough. Don't skip breakfast. I know, sometimes you're running late, sometimes you just don't feel hungry, but your brain needs fuel. Even something simple like toast, eggs, fruit, yogurt, or oatmeal is better than nothing. Studying and concentrating all morning is so much harder when you're hungry. Your future self during first period will thank you. Step 6. Fill your water bottle. This one is so easy to forget. Fill your water bottle before you leave the house. You'll stay hydrated throughout the day, and you won't have to rely on remembering later. It's such a small habit, but it makes a difference. Step 7. Do a 2-minute backpack check. Before you leave, take one last look inside your backpack. Homework? Laptop or tablet if you use one? Chargers? Pencil case? Water bottle? Lunch? ID card if your school requires one. Girl, this tiny check can save you from that horrible feeling halfway through the day when you realize you've forgotten something important. Step 8. Stay off your phone. Can I call us out for a second? Sometimes we wake up, open TikTok for just 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 30 minutes later. Your phone will still be there after school. Give yourself the chance to start the day without immediately getting distracted. Those extra minutes are much better spent getting ready peacefully. Step 9. Leave the house with confidence. Before you walk out the door, take one deep breath. Remind yourself, I don't have to be perfect today. I just have to do my best. Whether today's amazing or a little difficult, you're capable of getting through it. Walk into school with your head up, smile, be kind, and remember that every day is a chance to learn something new. One last thing before we finish. You might see girls with expensive backpacks, designer shoes, perfect hair, perfect skin, perfect everything. But remember, you're only seeing a tiny part of their life. Focus on becoming a better version of yourself instead of trying to become someone else. That's the glow up that lasts. So, softies, that's my ultimate back-to-school morning routine. Remember, the goal isn't to have a perfect morning. It's to have a morning that helps you feel prepared, confident, and ready to take on the day. And trust me, you don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one habit this week. Maybe it's packing your backpack the night before. Maybe it's eating breakfast. Maybe it's getting off your phone a little earlier. Small changes really do add up. Now tell me in the comments, what's the hardest part of your school morning? Is it waking up early? Staying off your phone? Remembering everything? Or just getting out the door on time? I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, softies!